Fight.
Both characters turn a little down. First hit, Cano. Go whiff, down forward to block. SOM playing at a close range. See what he can do with Eddie, trying to minimize that distance. Up forward 4 by Cano. Down forward 2 block. Nice block by SOM. Side step 4. SOM with the combo with the Oki. Takes the Oki. No break by Cano. SOM can close it out. First round, SOM.
Fight.
Nice throw. Good break. SOM with the combo. Improvised combo. Takes 20%. 4-4-2. Block by Cano. Low mid-string. Cano. Both characters playing awfully safe. Oki combo. Cano. Good throw break by SOM. Try and get those sneaking those upward fours. 4-2-1-2 counter. Wall combo. Second round. SOM.
Fight.
SOM with the improvised combo. Very good at coming up with those improvised combos. Down 4-2 whip. Punch with the down back 3. Cano up by 10. Maybe 10%. Throw break by Cano. SOM possibly trying to get him into that corner again. 4-2-1. No counter. Blocked again by Cano. Cano gotta make his way out of there. Blocked by Cano. Punish. Cano now in the lead and with the space. But SOM comes back. Combo. Back turn. Both characters clutching it out. Oh! Clutch. Puerto Rico coming back, taking a strong round. Let's hear it from him, folks. 2-1. SOM coming strong. No break. Puerto Rico takes the throw. SOM. Wall. And here it is. Picks up. Tech trap. Combo.
The final round.
Cano takes 2 rounds strong. Let's see if momentum stays on his side. SOM's got to stop that momentum right now. SOM in the corner. Down to 40%. Wall combo.